Since independence, the pace and momentum of life in our country has accelerated manifold. Everyone is busy trying to forge ahead. And to attain this state, what tremendous struggle our country had to undergo. It is the renunciation and sacrifice of thousands of our people that has made it possible for us to witness a new way of life today. And yet, there are some for whom neither the past nor the future hold any importance. They are the least bothered about their own immediate future. They remain uninspired even in the midst of hard-working, industrious people, ever confident that there will always be a succor to provide for them. Even an easy 10-paisa coin is welcome. Why refuse a good offer? Obviously, they think their needs ought to be the responsibility of other people. For instance, smoking is a pleasure one enjoys. Given the chance, where is the hesitation in indulging oneself? After all, begging too is strenuous work, and a smoke afterwards provides much needed relaxation and satisfaction. One could easily earn a rupee by carrying this gentleman's suitcase. But when 10 free donations in the begging bowl can fetch the same amount, then why waste an effort? Why work at all when one can beg? According to such people, it is only the lesser men who work. A visit to the park in the hope of finding a quiet corner. But not even the exchange of an I love you before the visitor arrives. Out with your money. No, doesn't matter. There are many more people obliging in this world. Now, what's this? No arms, yet plenty of forms. Here comes Lalaji, and here comes our hero with his demand, gets in return a reprimand. Oh, what a life. One somehow lives through the morning and through the evening, and thus through life, unlamented and unsung. And there is so much happening in the world, but not a thought is spared for this poor soul. Now, this is real generosity. Good gracious me, 10 solid rupees. Mustn't miss the chance, but how does one get to it? Push hard. Does need an effort. But why worry? The moment the car moves, the money will be mine. And once the treasure is in my hand... The first act is to buy a lottery ticket from 10 paise to 10 rupees, and with 1 rupee, millions. Oh dear, missed the lucky draw only by 2 numbers. The lucky number is 753568 and this ticket says 553568. For the lazy and indolent, money means just one thing: pleasure, indulgence, and more pleasure. My, what a disgraceful sight! A full-grown man shamelessly begging. Why can't he earn an honest living? An idle and lethargic brain drifts into such impossible dreams. One cannot buy even a lottery ticket without making an effort. But what is this? Oh, a dream shattered. Castles built in the air, fading into nothingness. Even the best of friends will turn their backs to persistent demands. Work, make an honest effort. How long can one pass the hat around? Surely, not for an entire lifetime. In this world full of competition, it is impossible to exist without hard work. You cannot live through life with your palm forever outstretched. It's wrong both to beg and to give. No job is too big or too small. Work according to your capacity. Earn through hard work. The sacred sweat of your industrious brow will forge your future, and not the pity, help, and dependence on others. Play your part in building a bright future for our ever-changing, progressing, developing country. The road to achievement is paved with hard work, honest, continuous, consistent hard work.